Hi, I'm David Stitt, President and CEO of Stitt Solar here in Rogers, Arkansas. Lately, we've been hearing from a lot of homeowners who are worried because the company that installed their solar system is no longer in business. First, I want to say you're not alone. This is happening across the country, and yes, it's frustrating. But the good news is your system is probably doing just fine, and there are some simple steps you can take to protect your investment. Let me walk you through 5 important things every solar homeowner should do, especially if your installer is no longer around. Find your solar documents. Start by gathering any paperwork you have, the contract, permits, installation documents. Look for details like your system size, the number of panels, installation date, and the brands of inverter and panels like Enphase, SolarEdge, or Chilicon. Why is this important? Because most solar equipment comes with manufacturer warranties, which are still valid even if your installer isn't in business anymore. Number 2, check your monitoring app. Your system should have an online monitoring platform that tracks how much energy your panels are producing, how much power you're using from the grid, whether your inverters are functioning properly. If you haven't accessed it before, now is a great time. You can usually download the manufacturer's app and create an account. Monitoring gives you peace of mind and helps you spot any issues early on. Number 3, update your homeowner's insurance. Make sure your solar system is listed on your homeowner's insurance policy. This protects your system in case storm damage or if you need roof replacement down the road. If you ever do need to replace your roof, we can help with panel removal and reinstallation, so you don't have to coordinate with multiple contractors. Number 4, understand the federal solar tax credit. There's often confusion around this. The solar tax credit is a credit you claim when you file your taxes. It's not a rebate check you receive in the mail. Every situation is different, so we recommend you speak with your CPA or tax advisor to understand how the tax credit applies to you. And number 5, choose a local, reliable solar partner. Whether you're just starting to go solar or you need help with an existing system, it's important to work with a company that's local, experienced, and here for the long haul. At Stitt Solar, we've been in business since 1978. We've weathered the ups and the downs of the industry, and we're still going strong. Our focus has always been on building trust and helping our community transition to clean, reliable energy. If you have questions about your system, need service, or just want a second opinion, we're here to help. Whether you're a Stitt Solar customer or not, we're committed to supporting solar homeowners across Arkansas. Thanks for watching, and thank you for continuing to believe in solar.